Friends, Romans, countrymen, this is the Dirty Shirley Slush. You heard of a Shirley Temple? Well, there's a way to make her dirty, and this is the slush version of her. Okay, so we start off with a little bit of lemon lime soda. Get that in our ice tray. We love freezing stuff and using it in slushies, okay? That's what we do. We're freezers. Oh man, well, not like that. I mean, we're people who freeze. Never mind. Okay, so we put our little lemon lime soda in there. We're not gonna call it Sprite because we're not sponsored by them. Then come behind there with some vodka, okay, Russian juice, whatever you want to call it. And then we blend away. You see the chunk on that? I mean, you see the way that is? That's what the word chunk freaked you out? Huh? Okay, so we put a little bit of grenadine in the bottom, and then we pour it in. You see how the grenadine spreads throughout? Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh, wait. You should drizzle a little bit of grenadine. Go with less grenadine on the bottom, drizzle a little bit on the top.